Hello, guys. So, good afternoon, good day, happy mid autumn festival. Okay, so we decided to do the challenge today, and it's a challenge on how to draw your eyebrow step by step. So, let's get into the video. The first one is to lightly draw in the eyebrow guideline. And this is a trick that I've been using. A trick that I have been using to get a guideline to draw my eyebrow. First, this is what I use actually. I use this. You can get this in your mascara. Like you can use it to, brush your eyebrow. It's just simple. You can get it from your mascara. Okay, so this is what I've been using. So to get your eyebrow guideline, the first step, lightly draw in eyebrow guideline, and this is what I use to get my eyebrow guideline. I brush it downwards. I brush my eyebrow hair downwards like this, and if you brush it downwards, you're gonna see an upper line, and that is a natural eyebrow line. So you just take your pencil. This pencil is from MAC. Take the pencil and you just follow the upper eye line as your guide. So this is mine. Okay, we are different. Everybody has a different upper. Okay, so you go down. So up, down. Okay. So it's just simple like that. We are still on the first step though, but the second way to get to your your eyebrow guideline. Okay, so we brushed it down to get the upper one. Now we are brushing it up to get the lower one. And brushing it up, you're gonna see a lower line, and that's where you draw. You just follow the line, follow it neatly. I don't shape my eyebrow with blade or anything, so it's a little bit tough for me. So this is how I get it. So now I get it now. Okay, so we are going to the second step. Draw the hairs standing up and short. We all know that the hair in the center part of our face is a little bit shorter than the one towards the outer part. Okay, so you're just going to imitate it. So I'm sorry, I'm using the mirror so I get a little more close to the camera. So you draw it short, okay, so just like this. And then we go to the third step. It says that draw the hairs a tad bit longer and slanting slightly, a bit longer and slanting. We go into the fourth one. Draw it much longer and almost completely laying down now towards the left side. Okay, so now we're going to draw it completely laying down completely towards the left side. And the fifth one, hair is now completely laid down, and we're on the sixth step. Erase the guideline and fill the hair a bit. Okay, this is the stage where you decided to do how you want it to be. You try to fill it a bit, but make the short lines visible by you. Okay, let me look in the mirror before I make a mistake. So I try to fill it, make it much. Oh shit. Okay, it's not. But I try to fill it. Okay, so now it's filled, but you still you can see the short lines. Okay, to make it more neat, nice, visible, like a pearl, you have to erase the guideline. Not completely though, but people can keep it like this. It's natural, it's nice, it's neat, but I would like to erase it with a concealer and this brush is the 322 broad line from Zova brush set. So I'm gonna use this. I can choose to use this too. All are the same, but make things easier first is what I do. So sometimes I mess up doing this, but for the what's this? For the sake of the video, I'm gonna do this for you guys. Follow the guideline. They say you have to be really careful before you mess up things. Yeah. So just be really careful, girl. Because I hate erasing concealers every time. It's so sticky sometimes that you can't even do anything about it. So I go in with this. Make it. Okay. So guys, this is it. Try to erase it. Oh, some people may ask, why do I extend the line? You can choose to start from here, just below where you drew your short standing center face line. Good. You see what I was talking about? I just messed up. So don't worry, it's not leads. You can just still you can still go in with a pencil and draw it again. It's not a big deal. I corrected, it's not a big deal, okay? So we are doing same, we're erasing sorry, the mirror is a little bit far, so I have to get so much close before I mess up. I don't want to mess up, I really took time to draw this. Okay, just to make things easy for you guys. So I did it, okay? Very simple, like this. How do you clean your concealer? If you know you're going to do the eyeshadow, you just extend them down here. Don't really worry yourself cleaning it up and down. Extend them. Extend them, baby. Extend them down here. So now we are done. But wait, I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow today, so let me clean it. So you can clean it with your blender. Actually, I'm sorry, I was just misbehaving. So this is simple eyebrow tutorial. This is the end of the video, but to make it more natural, just try and then brush your hair through, make it more neat. So this is just simple. Thank you so much, and this is the end of the video. Hope to see you next time, and I promise to do more videos to help you and to enhance your beauty. Thanks for your time and staying with me. See you once again.